How to remove SIM card from iPhone. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. In order to remove your SIM card, firstly, you can go ahead and turn off your phone, but make sure that it is not mandatory. Now, locate the SIM tray. On most iPhone, it's on the right side of the phone, and in the older models such as iPhone 4S or 5, it's on the top edge. Now, go ahead and insert the SIM eject tool, or you can also use a paper clip, into the small hole next to the SIM tray. Now push gently but firmly until the tray pops out. And go ahead and pull out the SIM tray carefully then. Now, remove or replace the SIM card. Note that the angled corner so it only fits one way. Also, you can then go ahead and slide the SIM tray back in until it clicks into the place. So, this is how you can remove SIM card from iPhone. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.